Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you something different, making money with First Solar. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. I've been away for about 2 weeks, but before I left for my holiday, I was doing research on this particular company called First Solar that many South Africans are making money from. On this channel, I share legit online jobs, but every once in a while, I do research on companies that you have suggested. And this is one of those. First Solar was established in 1999 and they've been providing solar energy ever since. They are known as the world's largest PV energy providers and they have over 17 gigawatts installed everywhere or worldwide. PV module, short for photovoltaic module, commonly known as solar panels, which are a web that captures solar power and converts it to sustainable energy. First Solar is a real company, but I found some really interesting things that I want to share with you, and at the end of this video you'll have to decide if the First Solar company in South Africa is the same as the one that was established in 1999 in the USA, and if you can really make money from this company. First Solar claims that you can earn passive income by generating and selling electricity on their platform, and you can make anywhere between 3 rands to 2,000 rands per day. You rent a generator for X amount, which is normal because if you're renting something, of course you have to pay for it, but apart from renting, you also have to pay a deposit. However, you do get your deposit back when you return the generator. The problem is you cannot make money from this generator if you have returned the generator. In order to make money, the generator must be on your side. This means even though you can withdraw your deposit anytime you want because you want to make money, and when you take your deposit, the generator won't generate money. So they say you are kind of forced to leave your money there for as long as you can, so that you can be able to make more money on the platform. There's PV1 to PV7 where you can potentially make 360 rands to 78,000 rands in 30 days. Let's take PV6 for example. They claim that you can make 1,110 rands per day, 33,000 rands per month. But for this to be possible, you would have to deposit 20,000 rands. 4,000 rands will be rent, which is non-refundable, and then 16,000 will be deposit. But remember, they say you can request or withdraw your deposit anytime. But you won't do that because if you withdraw your deposit or your 16,000, then the generator won't make you money. I hope you see where this is going. Another way of making money on this platform is through referrals. They pay $250 per referral and they encourage people to train their referrals, because when they train them, then the referrals will upgrade to PV2, PV3, PV4, etc, etc. When they upgrade, you get upgrading bonuses. For example, if someone upgrades from PV1 to PV2, you'll get 4% of their daily income. Here's where it gets interesting. If you invest in this company, your investment increased by 140% in 30 days, 22% in 7 days, 620% in 90 days, and 3,000% in a year, or in 365 days. Now, let me break this down for you so that you can see how crazy it is. If you invest 1,000 rands, for example, in 30 days, you will get an extra 1,400 rands. If you invest 10,000 rands in 30 days, you'll get an extra 14,000 rands. If you invest 50,000 rands in 30 days, you'll get extra 70,000 rands. Please make it make sense. Where have you heard that? First Solar company is publicly listed and one stock goes for about $70. And if you look up the stock price in the past year, the highest it's ever been is $71 and lowest $69. This means if you invested 1,000 rands about a year ago, let's say you bought at $69, today you would have made only 0.966 profit. So do you see how unrealistic these ratios are? There is no way you can make 140% returns in 1 month or 3,000% in a year, and it's already like guaranteed. No one knows how the stock is gonna behave. These plans offered by First Solar in South Africa are here to trap you, because if you have money, you will invest more in order to achieve maximum results or to earn like more money. The rent money you pay for imaginary generators is probably used for payouts together with the deposit. Hence, you have to leave the deposit on the platform if you want to make money. Why can't you withdraw the deposit and still be able to make money? Because you've already paid the rent. Why must the deposit be there? It's an unending cycle, and yes, you may get paid because people are paying rent and deposits, so the money is there. But if you follow logic and also pay attention to the red flags I'm about to share with you right now, you will see the cracks. Up to this point, I haven't shared what I actually found, and maybe you think I'm just a hater, or I don't like this company, or I don't want people to make money. But let me share with you what I found, and you can decide if this company is worth putting your money into. Number one, the main website domain is firstsolar.com, but the South African one is firstsolar.za. Number two, the landing page of the original website is not static, but the South African one is static. When you click on our technology, you land on this page with a cross background, but the South African one doesn't have that. Number three, the South African website has WhatsApp and Telegram options, but the main website doesn't have. Number four, the design of the quick links is different. When you click datasheets on the main website, it takes you to the PDF datasheet, but when you click datasheet in the South African website, it takes you back to the previous page. If you go to the technical document library, try to click any series displayed, it's not clickable. But on the main website, the series is clickable and has tons of content under it that can be read through. The company socials on the main website are Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. But in the South African one, there is nothing. You know why? Because they know that you may look them up and find out if they are legit or not. Have a look at the footer of the main website versus the South African one. There are sections they don't have. Notice how when you go to career, everything is the same except the header and the socials have been removed. These are just obvious red flags. I don't even have to continue to convince you. There is more I found, but it's not worth pointing out. You can already see these are two different websites run by different people. When I was researching this company, I was about to email the main company, as I always do when I do this kind of researches. Then I decided to go to Twitter first. Someone asked the original company if they're affiliated with this South African branch. They made it clear that it's a scam. They know nothing about it, and these are not my words, but words of the original First Solar company. I'm gonna need you to share this video to as many people as possible. Your aunts, your uncles, your parents, grandparents. Help them understand this is not legit. Break it down to them, show them the red flags. Even if they've been paid once before or they've received money, this company, the one that's operating in South Africa, it's not the actual First Solar company. Any day they may wake up and find the company gone with all their money invested. I honestly can't believe how South Africa is slowly becoming a playground for online scammers, and these people keep getting smarter, or so they think. I don't think they're smart, because they couldn't even cover their tracks. This is one of the easiest investigation I've had to do, and even a child can see that this is not legit just by looking at the red flags. It's crazy how people, especially older generation, doesn't believe in buying things online because they are scared of being scammed. But the very same people are investing in such a poorly coded website with poor quality pictures. I just can't help it but feel sorry for everyone who's been fooled. During this investigation, I joined 2 of the WhatsApp groups, and guys, it's thousands and thousands of people in there. And I remember this other day I saw a message from someone asking if anyone had withdrawn money, and then the other person was like, no, they haven't withdrawn money this week because they are waiting for their money to reach, or their profit rather, to reach 40,000 rands. This person deposited their own money, and the grid keeps telling them to wait, but what they don't know is they may wake up tomorrow and find the site gone. If this video gets shared enough, I can bet within 1 to 2 months this site will be gone. That's what happened when I exposed Bamboo Globalization, and trust me, I will not get tired of sharing the red flags. But at the end of the day, it's your money, so you decide what you do with it. I don't want to make this video too long. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. And I'm also waiting for First Solar ambassadors to come attack me like Bamboo Globalization once did, until one day they woke up and they found all their money gone. So don't worry, I know it's not personal, but you'll wish you listened. Bye.